What's the meaning of bluegrass? Bluegrass. Bluegrass.
Bluegrass. Bluegrass. Bluegrass is a genre of American roots music that originated in the Appalachian region of the United States. It is typically characterized by acoustic string instruments such as the banjo, mandolin, fiddle, and guitar, as well as vocal harmonies and fast-paced rhythms. The name bluegrass comes from the bluegrass plant, which is abundant in the region and was often used to create the distinctive sound of the genre. Bluegrass music has influenced many other styles of music, including country and rock, and remains a popular genre today, with festivals and concerts held around the world showcasing its unique sound and heritage.